Preparing for civil services? Don't just study. Study the self-study way. Get in-depth subjects and detailed topics built for prelims, mains, and interview. All content is curated by top educators, making your learning focused and exam smart. Stay ahead with topics linked to current affairs, interactive lessons, and live updates. Subjects are neatly divided into categories and subcategories with topics connected to related concepts for clarity. Self-study, UPSC-IS Prep app, the go-to app for every aspirant. Anyone, anytime, anywhere.
India announces a major step in global climate action by declaring the launch of its climate nature finance platform ahead of COP30 in Brazil. The initiative was revealed alongside 13 developing nations and regional bodies, marking a shift from scattered climate projects to a cohesive national finance framework. This platform is designed to build a strategic, programmatic finance system, ensuring long-term investments instead of isolated climate projects. It will enhance coordination between governments, private investors, local authorities, and global institutions, strengthening India's climate governance system. The platform will be supported by the Green Climate Fund, the world's largest climate finance institution created under the UNFCCC at COP16 in Cancun. The GCF aids developing nations in fulfilling nationally determined contributions and shifting to low-carbon, climate-resilient economies. Countries such as Cambodia, Colombia, and regional groups like the African Island States Climate Commission are partnering in this initiative, with India taking a leading role in building integrated national climate platforms. Using GCF's Readiness Program, the platform will strengthen institutions, support country-driven climate planning, and ensure financial strategies that align with India's national priorities and global climate goals.